Hi, my name is B. Joy. What's your name?
Hello, I am Jessica.
I am a radio programmer. I would like to ask you some questions regarding the radio program. Are you willing to answer the question?
Sure, why not?
Do you listen to radio programs?
Yes, I do. I kind of like listening to radio on the go.
How often do you listen to a radio program?
Well, not very often, you know. I sometimes listen to radio on my way to work or on my way back home from work.
What are some of your favorite programs on radio?
Well, there aren't many as I don't listen to radio very often. I particularly like the news, and there is a program where successful people in their relative fields share their experiences and give tips on how to pursue your dream.
How would you feel if you were ARJ?
I guess I would feel pretty awesome, you know. Many people would listen to me and I would get to know a lot of people and things while working as RJ.
Do radio programs benefit people?
Yes, they do. There are certain radio programs that benefit people in certain way. For example, news on radio helps people keep updated. The weather forecast on radio makes people aware of any weather changes and helps people prepare beforehand. Similarly, there are radio programs to keep people updated on traffic, which help them plan their journey well in advance.
How do you think radio programs affect people's everyday life?
Well, there are a number of ways radio programs affect people's everyday life. Radio programs, such as news analysis, political debates, change people's point of view on certain issues. Weather forecast and traffic updates on radio determine how people plan their journey these days.
How do you feel about internet radio?
Well, I think internet radios are quite impressive. You can listen to a variety of important radio programs online without having to have an actual radio.
Do you think people listen to radio programs these days more often than ever before?
No, I don't think so. You know, there are a number of different media, such as online newspaper or TV, which provide more illustrated news than radio do, and therefore, people hardly tune to radio.
Do young people like to listen to the radio?
Well, I think that young people are more attracted to the web and electronic media. Most of the youth are attached to their mobile phones and televisions. However, many young people prefer to listen to the radio while traveling.
Have you ever given radio as a gift to someone?
No, I have never given a radio as a gift to someone. This is because, in the modern scenario, most people like to receive expensive gifts, as well as people like photo frames, mobile phones, and other electronic gadgets. Moreover, in this era, everyone has a radio in their mobile phones and automobiles, so I never felt an urge to give it to someone.
What are your thoughts about radio?
I believe that radio is a great source of education, information, and entertainment. The youngsters are more connected to the radio songs while traveling or at night. Radio has changed the lives of people by being an audio source to relax people's minds and souls. The best part about the radio is its frequency. I tend to gather all the updates and information about my region while traveling within a few minutes. This is why I think that people, including me, have good thoughts about radio.
Thank you so much for answering all the questions and taking the time.
It's my pleasure.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more video. Subscribe.